Well, folks, the sun is going down. We got maybe another hour and a half of sunlight, and this thing has about an hour to cook yet, to roast yet. Looking pretty darn good though. It's been cooking for about 2 hours. Well, actually no, more like 2.5 hours. Slow roasting it. Look at our pile of wood. We've got a nice healthy pile of wood there for overnight. And then there's all Dan's wood there for his shelter. He's not building it today, but he's got a good start on wood anyway. So yeah, that looks cool, eh?
Yeah.
We got our potatoes and onions and carrots all just waiting. We're gonna wait for this to be about half an hour from being done, and we're gonna throw that stuff in the fire and let it cook. It's gonna be good. We just threw our potatoes and carrots and all that stuff in there. It's sizzling pretty good. It's gonna be really good. That's pretty much ready. So yeah, we're gonna be eating in about 15 minutes, half an hour.
My mouth is so watering right now. Just falls apart. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, alright.
Yum, that's really good. Look at that. So good.
Yummy, yummy.
Yum. Look at that. That looks so good. And cooked it for 3 hours over the fire. They're pretty tender. Another great meal over the fire. Okay, and this is fire steel or ferrocerium rod. People call them ferro rods, but this is one of my main ways of doing it, and this is a piece of fat wood. I just bought this from the store, but you can harvest it yourself as well, which I've done. But basically you just want to scrape a bunch shavings Huh?
Almost like dusting.
Yeah.
For VCT, eh?
Yeah. And I kind of just get a nice pile like that. That's pretty much good enough.
That's definitely good enough.
Poked right through it.
Probably could have done it with half of that.
Just
Stick it.
feather stick it a little bit. I could probably get a fire going just with this feather stick.
Probably.
That's just insurance. Put that aside, and I'm gonna feather stick this too. This is just a fast one because I want to get my coffee going, start eating breakfast. It works all the same, whether it looks fancy or if it's just quick.
What are you talking about? Stop me dead in my tracks there. Open the door, Dan.
Good enough. Okay. Couple strikes and we'll have a fire.
Yeah. Can I get it on camera? Okay.
I didn't want to get that part on the camera.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
There you go. There's the fire. Method number 3. Ferrocium rod.
One of the easiest ones.
One of the easiest ones to do. If I already had embers, I could have made a fire easily, but I wanted to show you guys this. So, getting some tea going.
Fire on your sleeping bag too.
See how this guy
Did it
chased
to
me?
me first.
He just told me that he was gonna fart on my sleeping
And
bag.
Richard just finished farting on my sleeping bag.
What?
Richard
No.
just finished farting on my sleeping bag.
I didn't fart on his sleep. I'm not sitting on his sleeping bag.
Pretty well.
Well, we got a good fire going now, and making some tea.
Fire. What are you talking about?
we got some water boiling, or on the go. It's not boiling yet, but it's on the go. For our tea and our coffee, and then we're gonna boil some more water for the porridge while we're making some bacon. Bacon. Bacon.
Bacon. Bacon. Bacon. Bacon, bacon on coals.
Bacon on coals. Campfire style bacon. Coffee. Coffee. Smoke. Really good coffee. Bacon.
Bacon.
Look at that bacon. Just carving a spoon for our porridge because I forgot that I threw my other spoon out as I always do. And forgot we needed a spoon to eat porridge. So I'm just carving the spoon here. back on. Pretty good, eh? This Mora knife is excellent for carving stuff. What the heck? Show the camera. That's Dan's spoon. My spoon, Dan's spoon. Oh, Dan.
It works.
Functionality.
So all it needs to happen is it needs to work. Right?
Yep.
I never said I was a world-class shaver or barber.
Well, we're all packed up and getting ready to leave. Weekend is over.
No, it's over!
Sunday about 2 o'clock. So yeah, took down all my stuff. Just cleaning up the last little bit of our stuff and then we're out of here. Back to work tomorrow. See you on the next one.